Okay, so this is for your Viton pump, your green pump. Assuming that this part broke, which is of course what actually happened, please remove the bad part, unthread the assembly of the, yeah, unthread that from it because you're gonna need to use that in the next step. You're gonna install the screws onto the pump along with the dongle and any other wires that you have removed in the process. Okay, then this is where it gets a little bit tricky, but that's okay. You can do this. Now, what Michael's going to show you is it has to be, the metal has to go on. Now, there's a thread already on this, but you reverse it a little bit until you can feel it catch, and then he's going to look at it actually very carefully to make sure it goes on very, very square, very, very, very square. Because if you cross thread it, it may not work properly. Okay. And you do it as tight as possible. Very good. Now Michael's going to also show you here how to use the male dry brake and insert it properly into this female. Typically Mike will be holding the pump in a hand and the pump will be upright because it'll be on the container, and he's going to just insert the male in, holding the pump with one hand and the adapter in the other. Now to release the dry brake, he's going to push the white button on the female and the male comes off, just like that. Perfect. Thank you.